Hi, this is AUD-USD and today it's Friday, 6th of March 2015 and the time is 12:28 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members, FXholics Forex Signals apps users and WhatsApp Signals subscribers. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. This is the H4 time frame of the pair. I was waiting to see the price crossing above medium Bollinger Band going upwards. Of course, ideally I would like to see Tenkan-Sen also going upwards, but I believe that this move is strong enough, so you can buy now at 0.7819. Place your stop loss a few pips below the lower Bollinger Band on H4 at 0.7765. And your take profit target, your short-term take profit target can be at the upper Bollinger Band 0.7855, but I'm sure that the pair will make a strong move, so 0.7899 or 0.79 could be a take profit target option as well, if not higher. You will reevaluate the situation as the price moves. Thanks for watching and happy pips.